Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I wanted to do a quick video on the Marx 1666 and the 666 with the headlight bezel. Now, as you see, if you're familiar with this locomotive, it has a very unique socket for the light bulb. It's two clips that grip the threads and a circular clip that comes down and actually grips the glass. And the problem with it, of course, is that it only fits this light bulb. That is it. It's really difficult to find any other light bulb that you can put in there. In most cases, you have to modify this and actually install a socket because all of the bulbs are larger. But in any case, the point of this video is I bought these light bulbs on eBay some time ago. I did a video on them. And I just wanted to show you how close they were to the original bulb. So there's the new replacement. There's the original Marx bulb. And you can just pull the old one out and take this new one and literally drop it right into that socket. It fits it like it was made for it. They are virtually identical to the original Marx bulb. 50 of them for 11 and change, so call it 12 bucks. And they're bright, they work, they're inexpensive, there's plentiful, free shipping if you buy it on Amazon. Anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up video on this. It works, it actually works quite well. And these are more than bright enough, as you see. Let me refocus the camera here. There we go. I'll turn this up, say 50% power. As you see, it is more than bright enough. It's actually brighter than the original bulb. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. These bulbs are identical, virtually identical to the original Marx light bulbs, as you see. And they're really inexpensive, 50 of them for 12 bucks with free shipping. It's really difficult to beat that. Anyway, it'll work in any of the locomotive screw-in sockets, and it is absolutely perfect for the 1666 and the 666 snap-in socket. So just want to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.